The alarm clock blares. It's another day, another grind. You're caught in a routine that feels far removed from the life you truly desire. But deep down, you know there's more. You yearn for change, for excitement, for a life that reflects your deepest passions. What if I told you that you hold the power to transform your reality? That you can attract abundance, joy, and fulfillment into your life with effortless ease? Today, I want to share a secret with you, a secret that will unlock the door to your dreams. So let's get ready to discover how to manifest your desires overnight, effortlessly, and with unwavering confidence. I understand. The path to your dreams can feel like a long and winding road, filled with obstacles and setbacks. You've probably experienced those moments of doubt, wondering if your desires are truly within reach. Maybe you've tried different methods, followed various strategies, but the results haven't quite matched your expectations. Perhaps you've been told that achieving your goals requires endless effort, sacrifice, and a stroke of luck. You may have even started to believe that your dreams are just that, dreams, and that reality has a different plan for you. The constant comparison to others, the fear of failure, the weight of societal expectations, they can all take a toll on your spirit and dampen your enthusiasm. You might find yourself caught in a cycle of striving and disappointment, questioning your abilities, and doubting your worth. The world can be quick to dismiss your aspirations, to tell you to settle for less, to play it safe. But I'm here to tell you that you deserve more. You deserve to live a life that lights you up, that fills you with purpose, and that allows you to express your unique gifts and talents. Don't let those negative voices or past experiences hold you back. It's time to break free from the limitations that have been imposed upon you. It's time to reclaim your power and step into the life you were meant to live. You are not alone in your struggles. Many have walked this path before you, facing similar challenges and uncertainties. But I want you to know that there is a way out of this cycle of frustration and doubt. There is a way to turn your dreams into reality, and it's easier than you might think. I'm here to offer you a new perspective, a fresh approach that will empower you to manifest your desires with ease and grace. It's time to let go of the old beliefs and accept a new way of thinking, a way that aligns with the limitless potential that resides within you. This is your moment to rise above the ordinary and create extraordinary results. This is your chance to step into your true power and live a life that is beyond your wildest dreams. So, if you're ready to break free from the chains of doubt and step into a world of infinite possibilities, then stay with me, because today, we're going to unlock the secrets to overnight manifestation. And together, we're going to create a life that is truly extraordinary. What if I told you that you possess an innate ability to attract your desires? That you have a hidden power within you to shape your reality and create the life you've always dreamed of? This is where the concept of overnight manifestation comes into play. Overnight manifestation isn't about magic or wishful thinking. It's a practical and powerful approach that taps into the universal laws of attraction. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your deepest desires and allowing the universe to respond in kind. With overnight manifestation, you can bypass the lengthy timelines and arduous efforts often associated with achieving your goals. It's about accelerating the process, allowing you to experience rapid transformations and tangible results. This approach recognizes that you are not a passive observer in your life, but an active creator. You have the power to influence your circumstances, to attract opportunities, and to manifest your desires with remarkable speed. At the heart of manifestation lies the understanding that your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs have a direct impact on your reality. Your mind is a powerful tool, capable of attracting or repelling the experiences you desire. When you focus your attention on something, you give it energy. The more energy you give to a particular thought or feeling, the more it grows and expands. This is why it's so important to cultivate a positive mindset and to focus on what you want to create in your life. Your beliefs also play a crucial role in the manifestation process. If you believe that something is possible, you open yourself up to receiving it. On the other hand, if you doubt your abilities or harbor limiting beliefs, you create obstacles that prevent your desires from manifesting. Energy is the third key component of manifestation. Everything in the universe is made up of energy, including your thoughts and emotions. When you raise your vibration and align yourself with the energy of your desires, you become a magnet for abundance and joy. Overnight manifestation taps into these fundamental principles, allowing you to harness the power of your mind, beliefs, and energy to attract your desires with remarkable speed and precision. Overnight manifestation isn't about complex rituals or elaborate practices. It's about simplifying the process and tapping into your natural ability to attract what you desire. Here's a breakdown of the method. Get crystal clear on what you truly want to manifest. Write it down, visualize it, and feel the emotions associated with having it in your life. Replace any negative thoughts or doubts with positive affirmations and empowering beliefs. Focus on what you want, not on what you lack. Create a vivid mental picture of yourself already living your dream life. See, feel, and experience the joy and fulfillment that comes with achieving your goals. As you visualize, allow yourself to fully experience the emotions associated with your desires. This will amplify your energy and attract those experiences into your reality. Look for opportunities and signs that guide you towards your goals. Trust your intuition and take small, consistent steps that align with your vision. Release any attachment to the outcome and trust that the universe is working in your favor. Surrender to the flow of life and allow your desires to unfold naturally. While overnight manifestation is a powerful tool, there are some common obstacles that can hinder its effectiveness. Here are a few to be aware of. Negative thoughts and self-doubt can sabotage your efforts. Challenge these beliefs and replace them with empowering affirmations. Fear of failure or change can hold you back. Acknowledge your fears and move forward with courage and determination. Manifestation takes time and trust. Avoid getting discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep your focus on your vision and stay committed to the process. If your desires are vague or unclear, it will be difficult to manifest them. Take the time to get specific about what you truly want. These obstacles are simply opportunities for growth. By identifying and addressing them, you can clear the path for your desires to manifest. Instead of relying on external proof, I invite you to become your own testament to the power of overnight manifestation. You are the author of your life story, the creator of your reality. The universe is responding to your every thought, feeling, and belief. By aligning yourself with your desires and taking inspired action, you can unlock a world of limitless possibilities. You can manifest abundance, joy, love, and success beyond your wildest dreams. This is your invitation to step into your power, to accept your innate ability to create the life you desire. Trust your intuition, follow your heart, and watch as your dreams unfold before your very eyes. To set on your journey of overnight manifestation, begin by crafting a vision board that encapsulates your deepest desires. Surround yourself with images, quotes, and affirmations that ignite your passion and remind you of your goals. As you gaze upon your vision board daily, allow yourself to feel the emotions associated with achieving your dreams. Next, cultivate a practice of gratitude. Acknowledge and appreciate the blessings that already exist in your life. This simple act of gratitude will raise your vibration and open the door to even greater abundance. Affirmations are another powerful tool for overnight manifestation. Write down positive statements that reflect your desires as if they are already happening. Repeat these affirmations with conviction and belief, allowing them to seep into your subconscious mind and reprogram your thoughts. Meditation and visualization are essential practices for manifesting your desires. Take a few moments each day to quiet your mind, connect with your inner being, and visualize your dreams as if they are your current reality. See yourself living the life you desire, feeling the emotions of joy and fulfillment. Action is key to manifestation. As you align your thoughts and feelings with your desires, take inspired action towards your goals. Look for opportunities that present themselves and take steps, no matter how small, that move you closer to your dreams. Finally, trust the process. Believe in yourself and the power of the universe to deliver your desires. Release any doubts or fears and allow yourself to receive the abundance that is rightfully yours. You are capable of extraordinary things. Your mind is a powerful tool, a limitless source of creativity and potential. Don't underestimate your ability to shape your reality and attract the life you desire. The time for hesitation is over. The time for doubt is behind you. Now is the moment to step into your power and claim the life you deserve. Take that leap of faith, pursue your passions, and allow your dreams to guide you. Your dreams are not mere fantasies. They are a glimpse into the limitless possibilities that await you. They are a call to action, a whisper from your soul urging you to step into your greatness. The universe is conspiring in your favor, waiting for you to align with your desires and take the first step. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Trust in your own abilities, trust in the process, and trust in the unwavering support of the universe. This is your time to shine, to unleash your full potential, and to create a life that is a true reflection of your authentic self. Take that bold step forward and watch as your dreams become your reality. Your dreams are closer than you think. The power to manifest your desires is within you. Take action, believe in yourself, and watch as your life transforms before your very eyes. If this message resonated with you, show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more empowering content.